Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I have one box of 2020 Topps Chrome Black. This just came out today. Really new product, pretty limited, I believe. Here's on the back. You get one encased auto, and then there's a pack with 3 cards, I believe, inside. So you get a total of 4 cards per pack. Yeah, and there's one parallel as well. So these do not look like the normal Topps Chrome from 2020. Has this design in the back, as you'll see shortly. So it's a new take on it, I guess. So far it looks pretty cool. What I've seen online, it just came out today. And so here you go. There's like kind of a dynasty thing here. So we got an encased card in the back, and then there's a pack in front of that. So let's do this. Don't see what it is yet. And here's the pack. Cool. So there's 3 cards in here. Not intended for individual sale, top left. All right, see what I get. There's the numbered card on the back. Don't want to see who it is. All right, so here we go. Kyle Lewis, Rookie of the Year, right away. Nice. These do look cool. Trying to not get the glare in there. You can kind of see what it looks like. They do look cool, that's for sure. Nice. Hyunjin Ryu behind that. There's Kyle Lewis, not numbered. And then here is, looks like a refractor. Josh Donaldson. So there you go. Looks pretty cool. These cards look really cool in person. Josh Donaldson is 148 of 199. Alright, so there you go. This looks pretty cool. Nice refractor there. Let's see what the hit is. Don't know what to expect here. There we go. There's the top. Green. Zach Gallen, 15 of 99. Good pitcher. Diamondbacks, so it's a green. Cards look pretty cool. Nice, got a little parallel there. Cool. These look pretty sweet. Recap the other cards really quick as well. Put this back here. Basically, I just want to show the Kyle Lewis again. It's cool. Josh Donaldson. Refractor. Cards are somewhat thick. Probably about 100 point. No, probably like, I don't know, 80 point. 60 Hyunjin Ryu. Did really well last year for Blue Jays. Nice Kyle Lewis rookie. There you go. There you go. I like it. Thanks for watching this one box break of 2020 Topps Chrome Black. Catch y'all later. Peace.